National Weather Service in Norman has issued a flash flood warning for Northwestern Lincoln County in central Oklahoma, eastern Logan County in central Oklahoma, northeastern Oklahoma County in central Oklahoma, southwestern Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 2:46 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and stream areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Northeastern Oklahoma City, Northeastern Midland, Stillwater, Chandler, Perkins, Lakeston, Luther, Wellston, Kearney, Tryon, Coyle, Warwick, Meridian, Fallis, and Lake Carl Blackwell. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 168 and 177. Interstate 44 between mile markers 146 and 168. Additional rainfall amounts of 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Additional rainfall 2 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life.
Gonna send psychiatry.